hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
It's Korean.
That's great, that's great. Okay, is this Yuto?
Hey,
Yay, nice to meet you today, Yuto.
nice to meet you too.
How are you?
Great.
Okay, good to hear that. Okay, so I can see here, Yuto, that you chose Business English, level 1 to 1, week 17 of Study Sapuri English. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, so today we're going to practice 5 pickup key phrases. All right?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go to the next page. First activity is substitution. All right, so this is the first one. You can see the key phrase at the top. Can you see that?
Okay, I can see.
All right, so we have I should be finished A. All
I
right.
should be finished. Hey.
Very good. Okay, under that, we have an example sentence using the key phrase. So I will read it first and then you will repeat it aloud, okay?
Okay.
All right. I should be finished around noon. Mhm.
I should be finished around noon.
Okay, very good. All right, so now can you see exercise number 1 and 2?
Okay, I should be finished in an hour.
All right, very good. All right, how about exercise number 2?
I should be finished by the end of the week.
That's perfect. Okay, that's great. All right,
Thank
so now, by the way, am I speaking too fast or just okay?
you. Just okay.
Just okay, very good. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's go on to the next one. This time we have the second key phrase. Is it difficult to A?
Is it difficult to wait?
All right, so let's check the example. So let me read it again and please read it after me, okay?
Okay.
All right. Is it difficult to use the tablet controls while driving?
Is it difficult to use the tablet controls while driving?
All right, very good. Okay. Next, please make a complete sentence using the exercise words with the key phrase. Please start with exercise number 1.
Okay, is it difficult to change the date?
All right, very good. Now, how about exercise number 2?
Is it difficult to get an extra ticket?
An extra ticket. Very good. Great job. Okay, that's nice. Now let's go on to the next one. So this time it's the third key phrase. So we have welcome to A.
Welcome to A.
Okay, so let's check the example. So let me read it again and then please repeat after me. Welcome to our company.
Welcome to our company.
That's right. And let's have exercise number 1 and 2. Please do exercise 1.
Okay, welcome to Japan. Welcome
Yeah.
to our hotel.
That's right. Very good. Okay. All right, so now let's go on to the next one. This is the fourth key phrase. What does your company do?
What does your company do?
Yes. All right. So I'll read the instructor part and please read the student part. Okay.
Okay,
I'm in human resources.
what does your company do?
Okay. Very good. Now let's have the exercises question section. So let me start. My office is in this building.
What does your company do?
Okay, very good. The next one, I run my own company.
What does your company do?
Very good. Okay. All right, so let's go to the next one. This time is the fifth key phrase. What do you think of A?
What do you think of A?
All right, let's have an example here. Please repeat after me. What do you think of it?
What do you think of it?
Yes, very good. Okay. Next, please make a complete sentence using the exercises.
Okay, what do you think of this?
What do you
What
think of
do
this?
you think of this design?
What do you think of this design? Very good. All right. Okay, so do you have any questions about anything so far?
It's okay.
Okay, so everything's clear. Now let's go to the next activity. So we will have role play. Okay, so now we're going to do a role play using the 5 key phrases in the conversation. So we have a situation here for the role play. Could you please read the situation aloud?
Okay, you are using a copy machine at the conference site. Someone is waiting to use the machine after you.
All right, so do you understand that?
Okay, I understand.
Good. Okay, so let's go to the next part. Please look at role play number 1. So we will try the role play together. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so let's start. Excuse me. Will you belong?
I should be finished in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you. This is my first time in Japan. Are you from here?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Welcome to Tokyo.
Thank you. I'm enjoying my visit.
Is it difficult to get used to Tokyo?
Well, it's fascinating. I hope my company opens an office here.
What does your company do?
We make medical equipment. We're showing our samples at the conference.
What do you think of this conference?
Okay, very good. All right, so let's go to the next page. Please look at role play number 2. Okay, so we will practice the role play again. This time, please fill in the blanks using this week's key phrases. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, so we'll start. Excuse me, will you belong?
I should be finished in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you. This is my first time in Japan. Are you from here?
Yes, I am. Welcome to Tokyo.
Thank you. I'm enjoying my visit.
Is it difficult to get used to Tokyo?
Well, it's fascinating. I hope my company opens an office here.
What does your company do?
We make medical equipment. We're showing our samples at the conference.
What do you think of this conference?
Okay, very good. Yes. All right, so please look at role play number 3. All right, so we will practice the role play again, and you will fill in some more blanks using this week's key phrases. Just a little more of a challenge for you. Are you ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, so I will start. Excuse me, will you belong?
I should be finished in a few minutes.
Oh, okay, thank you. This is my first time in Japan. Are you from here?
Yes, I am. Welcome to Tokyo.
Thank you. I'm enjoying my visit.
Is it difficult to get used to Tokyo?
Well, it's fascinating. I hope my company opens an office here.
What does your company do?
We make medical equipment. We're showing our samples at the conference.
What do you think of this conference?
Okay, that's great. All right, so do you have any questions about anything so far?
Everything clear.
Everything is clear, very good. So now let's go on to the next activity. We have apply. Okay, so this is apply general. Now, can you see situation number 1?
Okay.
Okay,
You are
please read.
discussing a presentation slide with your coworker. You want to their opinion about the color.
About the color. Okay. All right, so I will say something to you or ask you a question. Then you are going to reply using the key phrases. Okay?
Okay.
All right, so I will start. We should make the heading darker.
What do you think of a presentation slide about the color? What do you think of the color?
What do you think of the color? All right. So what do you think of the color?
Of the color?
Okay. That's great. Yep. I think that's the best choice too. Let's check the sample answer. Please look in the chat box. All right, the sample answer is What do you think of this color? Okay, what do you think of the color? What do you think of this color? Okay,
Oh, what do you think of this
this
car?
color.
Okay.
So this color, it means like you are pointing or it's very near to you. All right.
Mm.
But when you're saying, what do you think about the color? Maybe the color is away from you, right? Okay,
Mm.
but it's both correct. Okay,
Oh,
it's
thank you.
correct. All right. Okay, now let's go on to situation number two. Please read situation two.
Okay. You are greeting a visitor at your office.
Okay, let's try to practice this word greeting.
Greeting. Greeting.
Greeting.
Greeting.
Okay, so now I will say something to you or ask you a question again, okay?
Okay.
So you are going to reply the best key phrases for this. Hey, let me start. Thank you for agreeing to meet me today.
Welcome to the hotel.
Welcome to the hotel. All right. Welcome to the hotel. Welcome to the hotel. All right. Okay. That is the right key phrase for this. Very good. Now let's check the
Thank you.
sample answer. And so the sample answer is welcome to our office. All right.
Welcome to office. Office. Oh,
Okay. Now remember the situation says you are greeting a visitor at your office. Okay? So it
okay.
should be the office, but it's the correct key phrase. That's the correct key phrase. Just remember the situation. Okay?
Hi.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good. All right, so let's continue. Now let's have situation three. Please read it aloud.
Okay. You are speaking with your boss about a work project. You will be finished by the end of the day today.
All right, by the end of the day today. Okay, so great. I will start. Same thing. Please try to reply using the best key phrase. Okay, when can you complete the report?
I should be finished by the end of the day today.
Yes, that's perfect. Wow, you did a great job with this key phrase too. So let's check the sample answer. You said I should be finished by the end of the day today, and the sample answer is it's correct. It's just the same. Very good.